、来てます来てます。これ左側海の方向です。引いては押し寄せ、引いては押し寄せの繰り返しになってます。すごいですね。わあ、すごいです。本当ちょっと、ずっとこの川沿い住んでますけど見たことないです。
Of the tsunami going up the river. According to the man who shot this footing, and this is the local river of the Iwaki city. Shortly before 7 o'clock, as you can see, the tide is going slowly up that upstream. And he says that the shooter said that he evacuated immediately. He was very scared because this was the first time he saw that the sea level is rising and going up to the upstream. This is the tsunami going up the river, and one of the viewers shot this image. And here in the studio with us is Mr. Nakamoto of the social department. Well, please look at the phenomena and how do you unravel this? This was well observed in Miyagi and Fukushima, and in some areas, some other areas as well. And when the tsunami happens and comes close to the sea, and they comes into estuary and go up the upstream, which is a common phenomena, and this is one of the examples. As you can see, this is a very, very dangerous situation and scary situation. Not only estuary, and if the tidal every wave goes up, and there may be the inundation takes place, flooding takes place, and the river goes up into the inland area naturally, and therefore if the inundation takes place, that may cause the damage to inland area. So please refrain from that going near to the rivers, not only the coast.
So, how do you see the evacuation tsunami warning so far? Yes, so far, tidal wave of around 1 meter have been observed, but there is no longer information that the tide level is going up. So probably the tide wave is now stable, and this is Onahama port right now. But as you can see in the entrance area, you can see some waves. So I think the tidal wave or tsunami is continuing. So never be complacent and stay alert until the evacuation warning is lifted. So stay on the higher grounds. And also in Ishinomaki City, there was a live footage of the evacuation center, and there was a footage that many people remained on the higher grounds to watch the sea. So that is what they should be doing. Don't return to your homes and remain on the higher grounds.
Shortly before 7, that 60 centimeters of tsunami was reported afterwards, and 9:46 of Fukushima and Miyagi's the alerts were downgraded to advisory by the meteorological agency Aomori, Chiba, and Izu. That coastal area that are now free of the advisory. However, the Iwate, Ibaragi, and some area of the Fukushima, the advisory is issued, and so the meteorological agencies said that the people to encourage to keep the distance from that in Iwate and Miyagi and Ibaragi coast, that the advisory is still issued, Iwate to Ibaragi. So be on alert and do not go close to the coast, and never go to the coast to check the condition of the seas.
Yoshihide Suga, Japan's chief cabinet secretary there. We've been listening to NHK's domestic services with simultaneous interpretation. You're watching NHK Newsline. It is Tuesday, 10 a.m. in Japan. As we've been reporting, the tsunami warning for Japan's northeast and eastern coastal areas has been downgraded to an advisory. We are now currently looking at video. We're now currently looking at live video of the coastline. It's a live video of Sendai in Miyagi Prefecture it is a live video of Ishinomaki in Miyagi Prefecture there. Live video of Ishinomaki in Miyagi Prefecture. A series of tsunami reached the coast after a magnitude 7.4 earthquake struck off Fukushima Prefecture Tuesday morning. Japan's meteorological agency says waves up to 1.4 meters hit the coast. It's the area that was devastated by the 2011 earthquake, tsunami, and nuclear accident. Anyone in an advisory area should listen to local authorities and disaster management officials for information and instructions. Many people living along the coast had to evacuate to higher ground following the tsunami warnings. This is along the coastal area of Fukushima on Tuesday morning.
I felt strong shaking, but it was weaker than the earthquake in 2011. I thought something terrible might happen, so I tried to escape to higher ground right away.
Large furniture didn't fall over.
These are the tsunami heights that have been observed in Japan so far. The agency is warning that higher tsunami may have reached or will possibly reach Japanese coastal areas. Officials are urging residents on the coast to evacuate as soon as possible. Now, some local residents witnessed tsunami waves flowing upstream in the Tohoku region. A video posted to Twitter by a man shows a river in Iwaki City, Fukushima Prefecture, slowly flowing upstream due to the influence of tsunami waves. The man said he took the video from a bridge over the Bindagawa River just before 7 a.m. on Tuesday. He said he felt it was dangerous to remain there and quickly escaped from the riverside. The man said he felt scared as he witnessed such a scene for the first time. Another video uploaded by a local woman to YouTube shows tsunami waves moving upstream in Tagajo City, Miyagi Prefecture. The woman took it at about 8 a.m. from her condominium. The video shows powerful waves splashing as they flow upstream. The woman said numerous large waves moved upstream and she was very scared of the power of the water. Now, the Nuclear Regulation Authority says a cooling system for a spent nuclear fuel pool at the Fukushima Dai-2 plant has resumed operation after briefly halting following the quake. Officials say there are no reports of abnormalities in other reactors at the plant. The regulator says as of 7:55 a.m., there are also no reports of irregularities at the Fukushima Dai-1 plant, which was crippled by the 2011 quake and tsunami, nor at any other nuclear plant or facility in the area. And they say there are no changes to radiation levels at monitoring posts in the area. We'll, of course, continue to keep an eye on the situation in and around northeastern Japan and bring you updates as details come in. Let's now go to our Ai Uchida from...
来てます。これ左側海の方向です。引いては押し寄せ、引いては押し寄せの繰り返しになってます。すごいですね。すごいです。本当ちょっと、ずっとこの川沿い住んでますけど見たことないです。